our 5th try or something. We're not that desperate, okay? And we've been scarred by the fire giant, okay? That doesn't mean we need to, like, ditch
I
our...
peaked. Fired. Guys, I peaked. It won't get better than me. Everyone's hopes on my back. I beat that guy. It will never be that same situation ever again.
Yeah.
I'm going to be the first one to die from now on. The game has realized that I'm the biggest threat and it's trying to kill me. That's why we need Sam to reset the balance. Yelled himself, no.
Alright, we go
I
for
will
the
tank
left one. Me and you for now here.
Alright, I got him on my... Wait, oh...
Oh, that's awkward. He's gotta stop this charge attack. Awesome. There we go.
Got him, one. That other dude is bewitching.
Hi! Roman, you got this.
We can't. He needs to be bled. That's the only way we beat this man. I'll do it. I'll live. I'll live long enough.